Welcome to my channel. Join the journey of faith and science, medical physiology enlightened, with Professor John Etwell. Throughout history, some of the greatest minds in science have also been devoted Christians. These pioneering scientists saw no conflict between their faith and their pursuit of knowledge. They demonstrate that faith and science can harmoniously coexist, driving humanity's quest for truth and discovery. I am a scientist, professor of medical physiology, and a very traditional Roman Catholic. Freely have you received, freely give. I'm also an internationally well-known scientist in all humility. I choose to maintain anonymity. The purpose of this channel is to disseminate knowledge and uphold very traditional Roman Catholic faith. The title of this channel was chosen to include John Etwell because of the profound importance of this gospel, especially chapter 8, and because of its immense implications to our faith. I've come to know worldwide leading scientists, colleagues across the planet, who are themselves, as it turns out, practicing Christians. They prefer to keep their faith private. I, however, in all humility, choose to make it public, because it is what Jesus himself asked us to do, to put our faith ahead of everything in our lives. But he that shall deny me before men, I'll also deny him before my Father who is in heaven. The channel features a wide range of videos covering topics such as cardiovascular physiology, neurosciences, electrophysiology, and pathophysiological concepts. Additionally, it includes content related to traditional Roman Catholic practices and relics, offering a holistic approach to learning and spirituality. Everyone is welcome here, no matter their faith, affiliations, or views. Whether you are a medical student, healthcare professional, or simply someone interested in the fascinating world of human physiology, this channel provides valuable insights and knowledge to enhance your understanding. God bless you all.